Science and Technology. A journalist, a person whose job involves traveling and working in a spacecraft. Astrophysics. Uh, the scientific study of the physical and chemical structure of the star, planet, etc. um, atom, atom, the small particle of a chemical uh, e- element that can exist by alchemy. Um, the scientific study of the chemistry of living things, the chemical structure and behavior of a living thing. Biology, the scientific study of the life and structure of plant and animal cell. The smallest structural and fun, fun, function, functional unit of an organism. Chemistry, the scientific study of the structure of substance, how they react when combined or in contact with one another, and how they behave under different conditions. Climate, the regular pattern of weather conditions of a particular place. Control, the power to make decisions about how a country and area in organization, etc. Even data, fact, fact or information, especially when examination and used to find out things or to make decisions. Electricity, a form of energy results from the existence of charged particles such as electrons or protons, either statically at an accumulation of charge or dynamical at a current. Element, a simple chemical substance that consists of atom of only one type and cannot be split by chemical means into a simple substance. Energy, a shower of bowler shake fuel used for diving machine providing heat, etc. etc. Involution, the gradual development of plant animals over many years as they ad- ad- adapted adapt to change in their environment. Force, force, the remain, 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 remainder of an animal of language had become hard and turned into rock action. The mechanical part of a piano gun clock are the way the part move. Machine, a, a supply of equipment with moving parts that is designed to do a particular job. The power used to work a machine may be electricity, steam, gas, or human power. Appliance, a machine that is designed to do a particular thing in the home, such as preparing food, heating, and cleaning. Actuate, actuate, make a machine or device to work. A data device for connecting piles of electrical equipment that were not designed to fit together. Amplifier, an electrical device or piece of equipment that make sound or radio signal loud. An antenna, a piece of equipment made of wire or long chain. Spine or metal for receiving or sending radio and television channel. Battery, a device that is placed inside a car engine, clock, radio, and that produces the electricity that makes it work. Calculator, a small electronic device or piece of software for calculating with numbers. Chronograph, a device for recording time extremely accurately. Clock, instrument for measuring and showing time in a room on the wall of a building or on a computer screen. Not one or carrier like a watch. computer, an electronic machine that can store, organize, and find information, do calculation, and control other machine, merging, 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 can driven, something that somebody has done or writing that does not seem natural. The fact of seeming artificial deactivate to make sometimes like machine device stop working. Device, an object or piece of equipment that has been designed to do a particular job. Dynamo, dynamo, a device for turning mechanical energy, an energy from movement into electrical, the generator. The functionally, the quality in something of being very suitable for the purpose it was designed for. Reddit, a small tool or device that does something useful. Hairdryer, a small machine used for drying your hair by blowing hot air over it. Handset, the part of a telephone that you hold close to your mouth and to speak into and listen. A mobile cell phone or smartphone is basically the main part of the phone, not including the battery or SIM card. High-tech, using the most modern method and machine, especially in electronic one of design object, very modern in appearance, using modern material. In German, a tool or device used for a particular task, especially for delicate or scientific work. Insulator, a material or device used to prevent heat, electricity, or show from escape from something. Jack, a device for raising heavy objects up the ground, is basically vehicle so that a wheel can be changed. Meter, a device that measures and records the amount of electrical Anga quarter that you have you all the time and distance you have traveled. Sensor a device that you visualize his visual in order to make a machine do something or show something. Shaver, J shaver, shaver, an electric tool for saving. Television, a bit of electrical equipment with a screen on which you can watch program with moving picture and show. Oh, toaster, toaster, an electrical machine that you push light and breathe into make toaster, toaster, out. The the a device or were weapon that attack or destroy something quickly. A remote control for a television, video, or other type of electronic equipment. A Adobe Math that is read in the sun mixed with gel and you as a building material. Aluminum, a chemical element. Aluminium is a light silver gray metal used for making paint. Concrete, a heavy roof building material made from a mixture of broken stone or grave sand, cement, and water that can be split or bored into mold, and that form a stone like mat on hardened fabric. Material made by weaving wool, cotton, silk are used for making clothes, curtain, and for covering furniture. Nylon, a very strong difficult material used for making clothes, rope, brush,